I chose to join BGB because I was floundering quite a bit in my business at the time. We were doing fine, but I was really looking to accelerate our growth and do a better job on a day-to-day basis managing the business. Since joining BGB, I've managed to completely take over the business from my business partner, who's still involved with the business, but now I completely own it, which wasn't planned to happen for the next 2 or 3 years, but it accelerated the process. And we also have systems in place and have brought on an extra employee ahead of time as well. Revenue is going well, and just generally, things just seem to be flowing with more of the rhythm. What I enjoy most about BGB is definitely the camaraderie and the collegiality you can have with all the other members in BGB. That's the best part of it. The education is fantastic and the BGB team are really good, but the best thing are actually the other members. We get to catch up weekly, keep each other accountable that we're meeting our goals, and also having all the people there available essentially at a phone call away or an email away if you have something come up or you just want some advice or you really just want to vent. They're always there for you. So that's definitely what the best thing about BGB is.